Hey guys, today we're going to be doing another shooting test of the Colt 1911 Target. Nice gun. Most of these components, actually all these components on here that you see don't work, has no safety. The only component that does work is the mag release. Okay? Parts that move on it, mag release, top, oops, hold on, lost the board. Okay, there. All these are fake on here. It's kind of a downer. So, yeah, let's get shooting. I got the same target as the last one. Last shooting test. Still had troubles setting this up where you can see it. Okay, right there. That's the target, same one, but different paper. Okay. Shoot. I'm about 10 feet away with the Colt. Okay. As you can see, it has a wide spread. I do not recommend getting this gun. After the first few shots, about 500 shots after shooting this gun, it starts like shooting. Let's say you shoot straight at the target, it'll go every which way. Like the next shot, you think it's gonna curve that way, this way. Well, then it curves like up, so then you don't ever know. That's why it's a wide spread. I don't recommend. I say again, don't recommend the gun. At first, it's a good gun, but I'm looking at buying a Desert Eagle for like semi and auto, like that stuff. With take screen gas and stuff like that. All I have is just spring pistols now. I'm kind of getting tired of them. Just a piece of junks. So, my Stinger P36, that's a good gun. This gun, the FPS, I say about 200 to 230, maybe even lower. So yeah, let's show you the damage close up. Okay. That's the damage. One went clear out of the circle. Got some close to it. Like over here's a lot of them. I got one in the circle, directly in the middle. So yeah, you never know which way it goes. It's all over here, especially this one. I have no clue how I was aiming at this circle and it got clear over there. Clear over here, I mean. Whoops, where my pointer finger is. So yeah, you never know which way this gun goes, so I don't recommend it. So, yep, that's the shooting test of the Colt 1911 Target. Thanks for watching, guys, and look for some of my newer videos that I'm going to be making.